Prayer for success. Agalinabo. Ikenga, the one who makes a way where there is no way. Open the door of divine providence for me. Make the way for my success clear and sure. Remove any blockages from my path. Fight against those who fight against me. Uplift me when I am down. Give me strength and the will to succeed against all odds. Mwangu. Do not let my blessings flee from my grasp. Chase down those, both seen and unseen, who seek to turn my efforts into nothing. Hunt them down and help me overcome all challenges on the path to success. Ikeje Kiwa. Clear all doubts both within and outside me. Secure my path with victory. May my success be a testament of your glory forever and ever. Ise. This prayer should be backed by consistent, tangible actions towards your success.